Okay, now we're on example number 4, which is the very last one of the unit 3.5. Now this time, I'm going to call this a real-life application. Because here, you have a sun and you have a lightning. Now the sun, it says it's 11,000 degree Fahrenheit. And the lightning is 30,000 degree Celsius. Notice they're both in different type of degrees. And it's asking you which has the greater temperature. So you're going to have to use a temperature conversion that I showed you in previous lesson, and you're going to have to change either one of these, either the sun temperature to Celsius. You need to change this to Celsius to compare it to the lightning, or you need to change lightning from Celsius to Fahrenheit so that you can compare it to the sun temperature. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually change the sun temperature to Celsius. So the formula that we have is C is equal to 5/9 times Fahrenheit F minus 32. We're going to use this to change this to Celsius. So what we know is that sun is 11,000 degree Fahrenheit. So you're going to put it into this equation. Then your equation will look something like this. It says instead of F, now I know what temperature it is in Fahrenheit, so I put that number in here. Now if you do 11,000 minus 32 in calculator, 10,968. That's the number you get. I did the subtraction for you. I have to use my calculator, but that's the number you get. Now, 5 nines stays front, and it says this is in Celsius. Remember, when you're multiplying a whole number to fraction, you can change this to a fraction by putting 1 over. Then you need to multiply 5 to 10,968. You have to multiply 9 to 1. See how I have 5 times 10,968 over 9 times 1. I'm multiplying across. If you multiply the numerator, you get 54,840, and 9 times 1 is 9. If you divide them with a calculator, you are going to get a number, and you're going to actually get 6,093.3 repeated. Now, that means the sun is going to be 6,093 degrees Celsius. I'm just estimating, okay? I'm dropping that decimal and I'm saying the sun is 6,093 degrees Celsius. If you compare that to the lightning, which has a greater temperature? Definitely lightning, because 30,000 is bigger than 6,063. 93, I'm sorry. If you had to write your answer, which has a greater temperature, then your answer will be that lightning has a greater temperature, sorry, that should be ER at the end, greater temperature because the sun is 6,093 degrees Celsius, and that's less than 30,000. Okay, so that is the very end of Unit 3.5 notes. If you are done, please go to the practice worksheet, which will be in lead in yellow color. It should say Unit 3.5 practice. If you are done with that, then you can move on to Unit 4, which will be a new unit. Okay, very good.